But if there's money in my pocket and there's drinking on the docket, I'm gonna spend the money on rum. I spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
Sometimes I get tequila, man, I make a margarita, but most of the time I spend it on rum. Whiskey swell, getting in a southern spell with the barley and a bit of the rye. Gin is the bind and relaxing's on your mind, and the world has made you feel like you cry. Wine is a taste if you got the cash to waste, and a fancy little dance got your lip. But you can bet your bottom dollar at the bar I'm gonna holler, hey buddy, how about some rum? I spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
Sometimes I get tequila, man, I make a margarita, but most of the time I spend it on rum. I spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
I know you think it's funny, but it's how I spend my money. I like to spend my money on rum. You got that pineapple and ice, coconut and lime. Mix it up real nice. Rum has got you feeling mighty fine. Pineapple and ice, coconut and lime. Mix it up real nice. Rum has got you feeling mighty fine. I spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
Spend it on rum.
Sometimes I get tequila, man, I make a margarita, but most of the time I spend it on rum. I spend it on rum.